Hi guys, Antoinette here from One Sweet Life. I just wanted to hop on today to talk about some different tips on how you can keep your home clean without having to give up so much family time, because I feel like that's a challenge for a lot of us. We don't want to have to feel like we have to clean all day long and miss out on precious time with our family and friends, because that's what life is all about, right? It's not about cleaning and maintaining your house. It's keeping it steady so we can go on and enjoy our lives, but come home to a clear space so it's not so you don't feel stressed out when you always come home. So and I just want to let you know, if you didn't know already, that my cleaning course is open for you to sign up until tomorrow night. It's called Self-Made Mama, and it is pretty much the steps to clean your house quickly and efficiently. That way you don't waste any time, and you get a beautiful, clean space every time. So go to selfmademama.com to check that out. And okay, so to today. One of the tips that I have, and it may seem so obvious, but it's to clean while everybody's gone, and this might be hard if you have smaller kids. So what I do is clean while my little one is napping. Even though she's in preschool 2 days a week, it's I use that time for me to go shopping and do stuff for me at that time, most of the time. So when she's sleeping, that's when I clean and listen to my podcast and stuff while I do that, so I'm motivated and learning too while I am cleaning around the house. And that way I'm not missing out on any time with her because she's already sleeping. And if you have older kids, that makes it even easier because they're at school all day. You have a lot of time that you can fit in cleaning little sections of your house here and there if you don't want to do it all at one time. So the second tip I have is to do it if you don't have time that they're away and they're going to be with you all day long, is to break it up into super duper short spurts, 15-20 minutes. And if you are able to focus and just go ahead and get it done, you can do a living room, a playroom, even your dining room and a small bathroom in 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes total, 20 minutes each. Because I think that even with the high dusting and dusting the tables and stuff, 20 minutes would be so easy to complete one whole room. But the bathrooms, for me, usually take longer, and the kitchen. So my master bathroom and my kitchen do take a lot longer. So to break that up, I usually just do that by itself. I won't pair that with anything else. And sorry if you can hear that noise. That's Fred. That's our Roomba. He's vacuuming for me, so I don't have to do it. Okay, so super short spurts. And then if you do need to clean, when your family is at home, then 15 minutes, they can live without you for 15 minutes. They'll probably be playing or watching TV or doing something on their own for 15 minutes that you can just go ahead and whip it out. That sounds weird. That you could just go ahead and get it done and then come back and spend some more time with them. Okay, so the third tip that I have is, and I've recently started doing this too, is to actually do it together. When I dust, I've actually started having Emmy, my little one, help when she's with me or if she's not sleeping, and she actually loves it. And it's funny to think that, but she likes following around, and she takes her little Swiffer duster. So I usually use the Swiffer duster that's the extendable wand, so that way I can get the corners between the ceilings and down low without having to bend down, you know. And I have the little short duster, the short Swiffer duster that I give her, and she just dusts right behind me, and she loves it. And that has been so much fun to see because I didn't think that they would like to clean. I mean, every time I ask them to pick up their playroom, the girls hate it. So it's funny that she'd rather do that and not throw a fuss. So that is it, I guess, that I wanted to share. If you have any questions, post them down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And I'll also post the link too for Self-Made Mama in the comments. So in case that you want to go check that out, that will be there for you to click easily. So you don't have to type it in or anything. And I think that is it for today. I will try to do this like weekly. If you guys want to, if you want to see more lives, you can let me know that down below too, or give me a thumbs up, a like, because that'd be fun to see. Okay, so have a great weekend, and I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.